Hey guys, Ed here from Jonard Tools. Today I want to talk to you about our SD-41 4-in-1 multi-bit precision screwdriver. This screwdriver is a perfect tool for working on small electronics or any small pieces of equipment. The tool features the following: tough, durable plastic handle with overmolded rubber grip, steel shaft that allows for interchanging of the bits. The bits themselves are made of Chrome Vanadium Steel. The bit sizes are single zero Phillips with a 1/8 inch slotted screwdriver on the other side, a double zero Phillips bit with a 3/32 slotted tip on the other side. Tool also has a swiveling tip allowing you to more precisely hold and turn the screwdriver. Thank you for watching our video. Please take a moment, like, share, comment below, subscribe to our channel to see the latest videos from Jonard Tools.